In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a YouTube video thumbnail using ChatGPT for free. The thumbnail that we are going to design is going to look like this one. So you notice we have an image, that's the image of yourself pointing at the text. And then for the text, we have decided to use monetize in 3 days. So proven strategy. So this is the content that is going to be on the thumbnail. So the AI tool that we are going to use is ChatGPT. If you're using a PC, you can quickly access ChatGPT in your web browser. Just type chatgpt.com. But if you're using a mobile phone, just go to your Apple Store. If you're using an iPhone, download and install ChatGPT. If you're using an Android phone, you can do the same. Go to your Play Store, download and install ChatGPT. That's if you don't have it already. But if you do, open the app. The interface of the AI, that's ChatGPT, the interface is the same across platforms. So it doesn't matter if you're using an Android phone or maybe an iPhone or a PC or a Mac, the interface is all the same. So this is a prompt that we are going to use to design the YouTube video thumbnail. This is a prompt. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. So the prompt is editable. So if, for instance, your video content is different, that's the topic that you want to use in your video is different. So this is where you are going to change it. So where we have monetize, you can put something else there. And then below it, we have this, we have in, and then we also have 3 days. Okay, then we also have proven strategy. So these are the content that you are going to change. So we have the revenue card, then and also the estimated revenue. So these are the contents that you're going to change. So if you need something else, maybe the colors, and of course the reference image, which is already uploaded right here, you can do that. Click on the add file button, click on it like this, and then it's going to take you to your file explorer where you can add your own reference image. So I have added my own and I have the prompts. Now, what am I going to do next? The next step for me to do is to click on the send button, just like this. So once you do that, all you need to do is to relax and wait for ChatGPT to generate the thumbnail. So it's going to take less than 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the number of people that are currently generating images right now. And most times, it might also depend on how fast your internet connection is. So let's just wait for it to generate the thumbnail. Okay, so this is the thumbnail that ChatGPT has generated. I think we are going to use this one. The thumbnail is looking nice. Let me click on it so that we can view it. Okay, so this is the thumbnail. We can, if you want to download the thumbnail, just hover your mouse on um, this icon right here, this icon with an arrow pointing down. So once you click on it, it's going to download into your PC or your phone. Just click on it to view the thumbnail. So the thumbnail might think it's looking a little bit different from the initial one that I showed you, but it's all the same. Okay, so all you need to do is to maybe generate a couple of them, uh, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 of the thumbnails, and then you can select the best one that you want to use. Okay, so this is how to generate your own thumbnail for your video. Okay, so if you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click on that subscribe button. If you like the video, click on the like button and also drop your comment below. If you need the prompt that we used in generating this thumbnail, just let me know using the comment section, and we would, get in touch and then discuss on how I'm going to send the thumbnail to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.